Right, so something big's happening.
Cool,
It's happened
cool.
many times. I'm sending another copy of my new book, The First 365, and it's going to a very, very special place. That place is India, right? Now the reason why that's important, wait, what's the date today, George?
We are on the 11th.
The 11th. I date them. The reason I date them is so that hopefully one day everyone who receives this book can look back and say, wow, that was the catalyst for change, and that's what the date was when I first, began the journey into growing a business, entrepreneurship, all of that cool stuff. But the real reason I'm excited about this particular copy is because I'll cover the rest of the address. Zoom in on that, my brother. India, right? India, this is the place where my grandparents are from, where my entire family are from. Obviously I was born here, my parents were born here, but it's crazy to think, as my grandparents came here as immigrants in the 60s, that now, 2 generations later, I'm sending books about business back to the motherland. That for me is a full circle in itself, and I'm super grateful and super excited to be able to serve like that. Just thought I'd update you guys and share that journey with you.